In compliance with EEC norms, the control panel has been modified as follows. The control panel is connected to the machine by a long electric cable, guaranteeing the operator maximum freedom when working. The cable is covered by a strong outer lining to protect it from accidental cuts and abrasions. The vertical movement of the joystick controls the advancement and return movement of the tool head. By holding the machine on return, the tool carrier arm will rise up. With the arm completely raised, the rotation of the tool carrier head is automatically released. By lowering the arm, the tool carrier head is blocked at once automatically. The horizontal movement of the lever controls at the same time the transverse movement of the trolley in one direction and the tool carrier arm in the opposite direction. This button controls the upward and downward movement of the spindle arm. This button controls the opening and closing of the spindle. When blocking the wheel, keep the button pushed down in order to reach maximum pressure. The rocker pedal controls the rotation of the spindle. Clockwise, the black arrow, anti-clockwise, the red arrow. AGTT rims with rim rings. Position the wheel on the footboard with the carriage fully back. Move the spindle into position to clamp the wheel by means of the central hole. This type of clamping operation is quicker and safer if the rim is suitably shaped. Move the tool carrier arm to the working position. Rotate the wheel and place the bead breaker disc at the base of the tire bead, pressing down slowly and lowering the wheel so that the edge of the disc almost touches the rim base. Attention! Do not allow the bead breaker disc to enter too far, as this may damage the valve and flap. Using the special lever, raise the start of the rim ring. By keeping the bead breaking disc behind the rim ring and pulling outward, the rim ring can be removed. Turn the valve back. Now move the tool carrier arm, rotating the head, to the rear part of the wheel. Begin the bead breaking operation. When the tire is almost completely extracted, take great care with the valve. Valves can be easily broken. In order to reassemble, rotate the rim and move the valve slot to the 12 o'clock position. Insert the valve in the slot and raise. The tire can be easily inserted with the use of the bead breaker disc. Using the bead breaker disc, reassemble the rim. (13 inches to 22.5 inches tubeless). Position the wheel on the footboard with the carriage fully back. Move the spindle into position to clamp the wheel by means of the central hole. This type of clamping operation is quicker and safer if the rim is suitably shaped. Position the tool carrier arm in the working position and start the bead breaking operation. Lubricate the bead and rim generously with the special grease. Move the bead braking arm to the rear part of the wheel and rotate the head. Position the bead breaker disc in line with the rim, rotate the wheel and move backwards until both the bead and the tyre have been completely extracted. Check the front part of the tyre to make sure that the bead is in the rim channel. With the rim fully lowered, apply the clamp at the 11 o'clock position. Move both beads to the other side of the clamp. Place the tool carrier arm and tool in position. Rotate until the tyre is fully mounted. Always check that the bead is inserted in the channel. AGTT 18 inches to 22.5 inches tubeless. Position the wheel on the footboard with the carriage fully back. Move the spindle into position to clamp the wheel by means of the central hole. This type of clamping operation is quicker and safer if the rim is suitably shaped. Bead braking can be started on the front side with abundant lubrication. Move the carriage fully forward. Position the tool carrier arm on the rear part of the tyre and start the bead braking operation. Move the tool carrier arm to the front side of the wheel. Insert the tool between the bead and the rim and move it to the position with the rim in line with the reference dot. Insert the lever in the position shown and rotate in an anti-clockwise direction, removal, until the bead has been completely extracted. During this operation, make sure that the bead is in the rim channel. Position the bead breaker disc in line with the rim. Rotate the wheel and move backwards until the tyre has been completely extracted. Position the bead braking arm, tool and rim as shown. Apply the clamp to the rim. Move the tyre to the footboard, put the bead on the other side of the clamp and rotate in a clockwise direction, mounting. Remove the clamp and extract the tool from the tyre. Move the tool carrier arm to the front side and rotate the head. Grease the bead and the rim. Move the tool to the correct position in relation to the rim. Rotate in a clockwise direction. Mounting. Remove the clamp and extract the tool.